Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a side hustle that supports one's Christian faith. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share. I post videos to teach my subscribers how to make money online and ways to improve their skills. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell to be among those who get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's look at some Bible verse that support side hustle. So we are going to look at Ecclesiastes 11 verse 6. So it says, "Plant your seed in the morning and keep busy all afternoon, for you don't know if profit will come from one activity or another." So another Bible passage that supports side hustle is Matthew 25 verse 14. He said, "Again, it will be like a man going on a journey, who called his servants and entrusted his wealth to them. To one he gave 5 bags of gold, to another 2 bags, and to another 1 bag, each according to his ability. Then he went on his journey. The man who had received 5 bags of gold went at once and put his money to work and gained 5 more bags. So also the one with 2 bags of gold gained 2 more. But the man who had received 1 bag went off, dug a hole in the ground, and hid his master's money." So there's no doubt that the Bible supports side hustle. So the question is, what side hustle we as Christians should we engage in? So guys, in today's video, I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you a side hustle that can earn you up to $5,400 in a month. So what do you have to do? You don't have to do anything. All you need is an internet access, your smartphone, or a laptop. I'm sure a lot of us have Bible verse we use whenever we are in situations and so on. Do you know that this Bible verse can be a side hustle that will generate income for you? And if you don't have a favorite Bible verse, all you need to do is to come to ChatGPT. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to generate 5 Bible motivational and inspirational verses. So guys, ChatGPT has done its work. It has generated 5 Bible verses that talks about inspiration and motivation. And if you want more, we can just ask ChatGPT generate 15 more Bible verses, and it's going to generate 15 more Bible verses for us. So what we are going to do is, these Bible verses, we are going to just pick one and then take this Bible verse to Canva and then create a design. So I'm going to pick this: "The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing." I'm going to just copy these first points, and then I'm going to right click and then copy, guys. Then I'm going to visit Canva, and then I'm going to select a template on Canva. So I'm going to work with these templates, and then I'm going to click on customize these templates. So the next thing I'm going to do is, for now I don't need this logo, I just want to have my text on a design. I'm going to delete this and then paste what I had copied, and then I'm going to put in the Bible verse here. Just going to go to my ChatGPT and then copy this Psalm 23 verse 1 to 3. I'm going to copy and then come back to Canva, and then on Canva I'm going to paste the Bible verse. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then click on share, and then I'm going to click on download, and then download a transparent background, because the image I want to download, I don't want it to have a background. And then I'm going to make sure I download the highest resolution and download. So guys, we have our download ready. So I'm going to head up to Printify. On Printify, you can connect your store. For instance, if you have a Shopify store or an Etsy store, you can connect it on Shopify. All you need to do is to come here after creating a new account, come to connect, and then you can pick whichever store you have. Is it a Shopify store, is it a Walmart, and so on, and then go ahead and link it on Printify, and whatsoever branding you've done on Printify, it will appear on your Shopify or your Etsy store. So when an order is made on this store, it automatically makes the order on Printify. And then the fun fact is that Printify will handle everything from there, including delivering this product to your customer's doorstep. So when you are done connecting your store, all you need to do is to come to Printify catalogs. For instance, you want to print what you just designed on a t-shirt, or you want to print it on a mug. So on Printify, you can print your design on different products. So let's say for instance we want to print our design on a shirt. So all I need to do is to pick one of these shirts which they have on their catalog. So we have their catalog page where they have a lot of t-shirts, and if we are not comfortable with t-shirts, you can decide to browse from other catalogs. So I'm just going to select a shirt here, and then I'm going to print my design on that shirt. So I'm going to scroll down and then click on start designing. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to upload my design and then print it on this shirt. So I can take pictures from my device. I can also get AI image generator, and I can also add custom text or get Shutterstock images. So all I need to do is to click on my device, since I already have an image I want to use. And then I'm going to pick this image, and then it says adding files to library, and then guys, it has automatically printed this design on this shirt. So when I'm done with this design, if I want to crop this or expand this so it comes more bolder, I can do that on Printify, and after that I can go ahead and then save these products. So guys, when I'm done saving this product, it gave me a lot of design types, and then this is how it's going to look like on the front page, and I can decide to go ahead and then design the back shirt, and this is how it's looking on person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, and then person 5. So I can also have an image color and so on, and then go ahead and then put my product description and so on. So since you've connected your Etsy store or your Shopify store, when an order is made on this store, it automatically makes the order on Printify, and then Printify takes over everything and gets the product delivered to the customer's doorstep. So you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is to have an internet access, a phone or a laptop to do this process. So guys, please, if you're here to join my WhatsApp community, make sure you check the description below, and then you will find the link to join my WhatsApp community. On my WhatsApp community, I put everyone through how most of this website I review in my videos work, and then I simplify the process and answer questions related to most of this platform I review to you guys, because my goal on the internet is for you to make money for yourself and then improve your skills. So as much as possible, I make sure I answer questions, either send directly to my DM or send to one of our community. So please make sure you check the description below to join our WhatsApp community. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can get value from this video. See you guys in my next video.